guys, what's up? It is me, Franny, and today I am going to be showing you guys what I eat in a day. I did this probably like 6 months ago at my old place, but I kind of wanted to do an updated version of it for you guys. And just by the way, so you guys know, I had to refilm this beginning of the video because while I was editing, just the first half of the footage just decided to disappear into I don't know where. So I'm refilming the beginning of this video showing you guys what I had for breakfast. So if I look any different, if I don't match what I look like next clip or next scene, then you know why. So back to what I eat in a day. I don't really diet. It's more of like a lifestyle, I guess you could say. I don't like saying like, oh, I'm on the strict diet, because I don't know, I'm just not into it. But so the lifestyle that I like to kind of work off of is I try and avoid carbs and processed sugar. So usually, you know, I'll avoid rice or bread, crackers, anything like that. And like if I go out and I get myself something with rice, I'll ask them to substitute it for lettuce. You know, little changes like that. But obviously there are days where I'm cheating, where I'm having a dessert. Like at the end of this video, you're gonna see that I really went off the rails and got something that I shouldn't have gotten, but it's okay. Let's get started. The first thing I'm gonna be making is my coffee in the morning. I've made this for you guys in multiple videos, and it's literally just instant coffee. So I'm gonna make my coffee, but today for breakfast, I'm going to be making myself my scramble that I make a few times out of the week. If I'm not making my scramble, I'm making my special pancakes, but I've made those for you guys already, so I wanna make my scramble for y'all. It's really simple, nothing crazy, just has some veggies in it. And yeah, and sometimes I'll eat it with an apple if I'm extra hungry. I'm gonna be making some for David as well.
Woo! Yeah, perks of being a cute cameraman.
Got a lot of stuff. Like I said, I try to avoid sugar and like processed sugar. So I use stevia, 0 calories. It really sweetens, it's extremely sweet, so, and I have a sweet tooth. Like if I have carbs, it might be like oatmeal in the morning too, and I'll put some stevia in that. Like I said, don't think I never have carbs, I do, but I just try to avoid them. Lactose-free creamer. It's not even like I'm lactose intolerant, I'm just like trying to be healthier. Just like I feel like lactose isn't healthy for you, or like milk or dairy really isn't. But, okay, so now that I made my coffee, I always make my coffee before I make my food because it's piping hot. So basically I chop up pepper, tomatoes, I use some spinach, avocado, some turkey breast, and yeah, that's basically what I put in my scramble. Some olive oil into the pan. Put the stove on. And I literally take some just like cold cut like turkey breast, and I basically just kind of rip it up and toss it into the pan. That warmed up for a little bit. Time to put my spinach in. Probably should have used a bigger frying pan, but it's fine. I sometimes like to put a little bit of seasoning salt in it. 0 calories. So normally I'll do 2 eggs and then egg whites. But since I'm making some for David, I'm gonna put 3 eggs and then the rest egg whites. Sometimes I'll just do egg whites just because yolk does have a lot of cholesterol in it. It's not good to have it all the time. So, take my liquid egg whites, shake it out. It's really cooking. David, are you excited?
I'm so excited. I'm so hungry.
Really?
I didn't eat anything this morning.
Aww. That is yours, David.
Ooh, you added avocado too?
So I always add avocado. Love avocado. It's super good and it's just super good healthy fats for you. I typically put a little bit of ketchup on it, you know.
Oh, I drown mine in ketchup.
A lot of you guys are gonna be like, ew, but.
A little bit more. That's good.
I was gonna say more than that.
I probably am gonna put a little bit more, but I don't want your fans to know that I'm disgusting.
Alright guys, so yeah, here is our scramble. We're gonna eat this up and then I'll be showing you guys what I eat later.
So this is how Franny pays me. Scrambled eggs once a month.
It's been a while since I ate breakfast. What time did we eat breakfast? At like 10:30, 11. It's been like 4 or 5 hours and I'm starting to get hungry again, but I'm not hungry for like a snack. I want to actually go grab an actual meal because I am going to be getting on a plane tonight to go somewhere. So yeah, basically I'm gonna be getting on a flight right now and everyone's already gonna know, but I'm basically going to go and surprise JC on tour in San Jose. So me and Nessa are flying up north because her parents live up by San Francisco. So we're gonna stay with them for like a day or two. Anyways, I don't know why I'm telling you all this. Okay, so every day is different for me. Sometimes I will snack throughout the day and have like almonds or these granola bars or a green juice. But I'm not in the mood for that right now, but I wanted to show you guys what I eat when I snack. So these Kind bars are like my everything. I absolutely love them and they're pretty filling. They're just really good. I don't know, I love them. I get like blueberry, pomegranate, raspberry, the fruit and nut one. So when I want to snack, this is usually what I eat. Or I'll have a green juice or this superfood like smoothie green juice thing, but these don't taste that bad because they have fruit in them as well, so they are a little sweeter. They're not just straight vegetables because I can't do that. I can't at all. But yeah, so this is basically what I'll have if I want a snack or something. Like I said, I really do try to avoid like processed foods and stuff. Just, you know, just to be healthy, because I mean that stuff's not really that healthy for you anyways. But I think later today I want to go to Coffee Bean and get this Oreo frap that they have. So I think I'm gonna go do that with David after we eat. So we're actually gonna go grab some food right now and basically just show y'all what I get and just explain again, because that's all I've been doing this video. It's kind of like a nutritional video, like, hey, how does Franny not gain more weight?
Because you look good, dude.
Thanks. Alright, so I'm here at 33 Taps. I love this place, super good. When I eat lunch or dinner, I typically try to eat protein with veggies. So I got half of a chicken breast. I love chicken. And I just get double side of Brussels sprouts. They like, I think they just grill them and they like season them really nicely. And I do honey mustard, ranch, and ketchup. I shouldn't do the ranch, but I do it anyways, it's fine. And I don't eat the bread.
No bread.
You know, I really don't even crave bread that much because I cut it out and it was hard the first like few days, but after the first few days, like I don't even crave bread anymore. I don't want it anymore. I don't know. But yeah, so basically like I said, I have protein with veggies typically for lunch or dinner, or lunch and dinner. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and eat this, and then I'm probably gonna go to Coffee Bean and get myself that Oreo frap because I'm craving one right now, and why not, you know? Gotta treat yourself.
I feel you, dude. Yeah. And I got she got me my food too.
Oh yeah, he got wings. That's good too. I would have wings as well.
Thanks, Mom.
Pretty good. You're welcome, son. And now enjoy.
There's always water, guys. You gotta stay hydrated.
Always water. Oh, and that's another thing. That's one thing I'm really bad at, is drinking a lot of water, and I should be drinking way more water. But that's another thing. I only drink water throughout the day or green juice. I'm never drinking soda or just regular juice. I'm always drinking water with my meals. That's another thing. That was a transition I made in high school actually though, because I would drink so much soda. But now that I don't really work out that much, or I'm not in a sport all year round, it's gonna catch up to me. Yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and eat and we'll be right back. Alright guys, so I got my pure cookies and cream frap from Coffee Bean. This is only a seasonal thing that they have. It's only for the summer and I'm obsessed with it. So like I said, yeah, like I try not to have processed sugar or processed food and stuff, but I do treat myself. Like, don't think I eat like this every day. Majority of the time I am eating pretty healthy, but yeah, like once in a while I will have a slice of pizza, or once in a while I will have something, you know. It's all about balance too, you know.
Remember that one day you ordered a whole pizza and you ate it by yourself?
I literally was watching a Trisha Paytas mukbang and I was home alone and I ordered a whole Domino's pizza and ate it.
I came over and she literally did eat the whole thing.
I was by myself just like so like there are days like that, but you know, like I said, majority of the time I am trying to there's a bug in here, it's bugging me. Like I said, majority of the time I am trying to eat healthier, making healthier choices, just like by not having a lot of bread or just not having bread, because I don't really crave it that often. You know, if I have something with rice, I get maybe a salad instead. Just little things like that. So basically, I showed you guys what I ate like for lunch and dinner, breakfast and lunch, dinner kind of thing. I typically don't have 3 full meals a day, and that's just because I'm not hungry for a 3rd meal at night. Typically at night, I just want to tell you guys, so typically at night, I'll just have like a granola bar or like some turkey breast with like trail mix or something like that, because I'm not that hungry at night anymore. I used to eat so much at night, like so much, and that's not good because I would always go to bed full. That's why I gained a lot of weight. But yeah, I'm not really that hungry anymore at night, but I do eat good big meals during the day. And like I said, I have my granola bars and I snack, and I have this thing, like I love dessert, so I always try and make room for dessert, and you know, whatever. But yeah, and remember, this works for me. It does not work for everyone, but I think when you find your little niche, when you find what's good, like what you think is good for you, and being aware of everything that you're eating. Like I feel like some people just like, they just order stuff without thinking about it, and it's like, that's good obviously, but if you, like me, I'm trying not to gain weight, I'm obviously gonna watch what I'm eating, and that's basically it. David could literally say, this is what I eat every day.
She really does, guys.
Like,
guys, I'm with her mostly every day. This is exactly what it is.
This is how I eat every single day, and you know, I felt like, oh, you know, why not update you guys? And like I said, if I really want to try and like shed a few pounds, like, you know, I won't be getting this or anything, just being a little more stricter on the sugar and stuff. I mean, right now I'm just chilling. Like I said, I'm not really worrying about that. I'm just kind of living my life to the fullest. But yeah, guys, thanks, David.
Gotcha.
Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below on any other videos you'd like to see me do, or maybe if you want to see another updated version of this in the future, in the next few months, let me know. Please put those push notifications on so when I upload, you'll know exactly when I do. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!